guys, today I am going to make a lovely bird by using colorful paper. It's very easy and quick to make it. I will show you. It's very beautiful and nice. Now I will show you how to make it. First I will fold these two pink papers in a zigzag way. I will show you. See. I have folded the paper in a zigzag way. Now stick it like this. I stick the paper. Now cut in a triangle. I have cut the paper in the triangle shape. You can see. Now stick the both sides like this. I have stick it and stick on the other side. Back. Like this. For the yellow bird, I have stick pink beak, wing and tail. Now I am going to stick for the pink bird yellow wing, beak and tail like this. Now I am going to cut beak, wing and tail. I have cut the yellow paper in wing, tail and beak shape in diamond shape and fold the diamond shape in triangle. First I am going to stick wing. Now I am going to stick beak. Now I am going to stick tail. Now I am going to stick the eye. So our bird is ready. Our colorful birds are looking very beautiful. You can use it as wall decor and you can decorate your home by these colorful birds. You can make many birds and hang to the wall and decorate your home or room.